Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the concept of default export. In the previous video we have learned how we can create our modules and export those modules here, and how we can import those modules here together. And in this video we are going to learn how we can use the concept of default export. So I have separate module file, and here I am creating a function, and I say display message like this, and I am passing a message here, and here this I am just displaying console.log, and I am trying to display my message. Simple one. And here I have to use export default and then the function name like this. So here I am using this default message and I am saving it. Now I am going in the module import file, and here just I try to import, and I say display message from, and I just give here name dot default export mjs like this, and I save it. And here I just pass the message, this is default export, and I save it and I run it. You see I am able to do this, and here I am not putting it under the curly bracket, remember, and here also I am not putting in curly bracket because it's a default one. And remember that only one module, one function can be default in a single script file. So if this file only one is allowed. If I create some other function, for example I say get sum, and I say num1 and num2, and I say return num1 plus num2 like this, and again I try to make this default, and I run it. You see error. So default only one is allowed, not two. Two function cannot be default, only one is allowed to be default. Now the name of this message is display message, and I am importing here with the display message. So default one I can leave, I can give message also like this, and here I can buy message. So I can change the name also, and I try to run this, it will display the same result as it was displaying again. So in case of default I can change the name of the function also, but in case of normal like this, we have a normal export, so I can give aliases, but I cannot change the name. I am using get sum here, so I am using aliases, that's why I am using sum, but without aliases I have to give the same name here, I can't change the name. But in case of default I can use aliases also, I can change the name also, no problem at all. This is the way to use the export. But one is the technique, one technique is available by which I can use all these two function together, and I can export as a default. How I can do? For that, what I have to do, I have to create a constant object, or maybe any object, I just am giving a name, and I say my function equal to, and the object bracket, and I put all these two functions cut inside this object, and here I am giving a name like message like this, and here also I say sum like this, like this. So we have this object, we have a message here, message, and we have a sum here, and I can give any letter also, capital letter, small letter, just like a function, whatever you want, like this. And now here I can export my fun. Save it. So this object I am exporting, and here as an importer I will use this function, my fun, like this. Should be same name, but here I can use my fun dot message like this, and I can use my fun dot sum for calculating a sum, and here I can pass the value, and that I have to use the console also because I want to display this value. So here I will use my fun and I will close it like this. I try to run it now. First of all I have to save it also, then run it, and you see the sum of two number, this is coming here and this is also coming here, message. Only one export is there, one default export is there, but for that we have entered we have defined all the functions within object, and we are passing an object here, and with the help of object we are accessing these functions. So that is also possible, but at a time only one is default, not two. One more thing I want to discuss here, while I am importing this, you see here is also having some problem. If this class having so many functions, so I have to write here so many functions and import time also. So I can do like this, I just do star as, and I can import like I say cal, means calculator. So all these functions, I save it, all these functions, those are defined here, I am using together in a cal, and here while using sum I can say cal dot sum like this, and I say cal dot multiplication. So concept is same, but in place of all import individually one by one, I give the name of the all methods or functions. So I can give only one star and the object of this, and with this I can access it. And if I try to run this, so I have no problem at all, same output is there. But this is the way to make your line short and make your code clean and short also, and you can reduce the line of code in your program. But there's little bit advanced concept, and for understanding this we need lot of practice. So you do practice and make yourself perfect. So that's all in this video to understand the default export, and thank you for watching my video.